I don't really know, but again, I am not accustomed to doing these things. I get bombarded from various companies and product placements and things, and I'm just like, go away. But this company contacted me, and I looked at the product, and this thing's a beast. It feels good. And I just had a different feeling about it, and sure enough, it's a beast. If it was a load of garbage, I would be completely honest about it, because I'm getting a free light out of it. Meanwhile, I don't want my name, reputation, like, I don't want anybody to be upset, right? Like, I got stuff to protect. God, I don't know how to do this. I don't know. This feels so blah, you know. Definitely not an influencer, right? Like, I'm not one of those. And I am not at all accustomed to doing videos like this, but light is important. And this product, there was just something different, that how the email read, how the product looked, and I was like, sure, I'll give that a go ahead, and if I like it, I will share it with y'all. Well, here she is, because I like her. She's very nice. There are some pros and cons. I will get into the cons. Just unbox it. So this is like, you know, just initial first impressions. I have not used this thing. Well, she's just fresh out of the box. First impressions is that it's a beast, okay? The bottom weighs 7.5 pounds. Or was it 6.5 pounds? It weighs 7.5 pounds. This thing is solid. It's a beast, okay? This thing just slides right on top, and then you take the little Allen wrench and you tighten her down. Now, if you don't tighten it down, then you can swivel. So you could just like have it a little bit tightened. That way it's like secure-ish. Also, it's not going anywhere. I mean, this is a beast. And then you can swivel. This whole thing swivels and moves. And it does so in like a really sturdy, I just keep thinking it's a beast. It's very well made. It's all metal. Even the knob. The top of the knob is like metal. The side of the knob is like that soft plastic, that soft feel plastic. Ooh. What does that do? I think I'm changing the temperature. Maybe I should read the user guide. It does come with some information. So the dial changes the intensity of the light, and then I think this ring on the back maybe turns it on and off and changes the temperature. I don't know, probably the information is in here. Like I said, this is a first approach sort of thing. Love that the cord is braided, and they thought about it sending it through the channel and back around, and it's braided. Like it feels good. It definitely beats my old system. So light is really important, right? Like I mean, doing smocking and embroidery. Like I would have loved to have had this, because I'm not fighting for elbow space. I was using a big like diffuser light that I use with videos sometimes, and I was using that for Daisy's shadow work. I did the entire project, except for the beginning. Probably a good 3/4 of that project with like fighting elbows with that big thing in my face. This would have been a much nicer experience. Already I'm seeing some cons though, like if you want this, it takes up a lot of space. That's the major con that I'm seeing. But it's very well made. I love that you can change the temperature of the light and the intensity of it. I love just how it feels and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, it's big. So if you have a small space, I am lucky here that this is like at my office. Hi, this is early morning. We've got trucks going by, and there's restaurants around the corner, so they get their deliveries and life is happening. But yeah, so I have some extra space here. I like that it sits up on the table and doesn't do my diffuser like over my shoulder like a little like monster. Not little, big monster. So I'm gonna enjoy using this morning, and just wanted to share it with y'all. I don't get any kickbacks for y'all buying it. I just got a free lamp in the mail, which I think is going to be my new best friend. So, yeah, go check out Daisy's shadow work dress. Oh my god, a massive, massive project, and you can just imagine that this was illuminating that project instead. Go check one out. If you want one, go get it. If you don't, it's going to skin off my back, but I do like it. So if you have any questions, of course, put them in the comments down below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.